Sustainability has a key role to play in whatever company you are working in, because it's part of your strategic emphasis. So it has to be part of strategy. At ABB, quite clearly, we have a purpose. Out of the purpose, we have a sustainability plan, and that's embedded in everything we do. Because we are in electrification, that means we are electrifying the world. That means also we are giving products and solutions to our customers to save energy and drive the sustainability thing further. And then on automation, on robotics, it's exactly the same. The way we do operate in automation and in robotics, we can help our customers to manufacture goods in a different way and therefore in a more sustainable way. So we are clearly pioneering that side in a very good way, either being scope 1, 2 and 3. It's all included there, and we can talk about that in more details. Decarbonization of industries and the world of the energy system is part of any purpose and sustainability driven strategy. I don't think personally it will be slowing down. I think there is more realism coming into the discussion. Because previously you heard you can't use fossil fuels anymore, we are going into new energies immediately or within a few years, which is not realistic. I think what we are experiencing at the moment with COVID, but also the energy security issues coming out of the war in the Ukraine, really opens the eyes for the public, but also for governments, that the fossil fuels are part of the solutions. They're not part of the problem. So by having them as part of the solution, we can develop the renewable energy. We can develop a very sustainability-driven industrial practices at the same time. So personally, I think it will accelerate. Companies are very clear this is part of our business and we will push this. So therefore, I'm of the opinion it will help, but it will help in a way that it is more realistic now. These are two very important strategic issues for ABB, because the world is digitalizing and is electrifying at the same time. By combining those two things, you can save a lot of energy. One of our sustainability targets, which we call in Scope 3 target, is actually saving 100 megatons in our customer facilities of CO2. That is kind of 30 million passenger cars what you save per year, which we alone as a company can give to our customers. So that's which motivates us, which drives us to be even faster in implementing our new products, which will help to save these energies. So by combining the two elements, that really drives the electrification strategy of ABB. I think China is exactly doing the same like the rest of the world. It is electrifying the economy there. It is very clear they're automating the economy as well. They're very keen on the best products which will give energy savings. So we are very prominent there with electrification products, but also with drives products, etc. Even with then the robots, which will facilitate a different automation system and therefore gets you more productivity, but in a more sustainable, in less energy intensive way. And China is exactly the same. If you read the 5-year plans, it is very dominant in there on how both the digitalization and the electrification energy system should be transformed. And that's where ABB is very happy to contribute. We produce 90% of what we sell in China. So we have a lot of factories there, very close to the customers, and we know their demands in terms of sustainability as well. So this is a journey we're all on, and China